Yeah, good morning, third year student. So in the last lecture, basically, we have seen about some of the examples related to the finite automata, that is a deterministic finite automata. Right? So today we will see more examples of DFA. Yeah, write down the next example. That is a DFA, draw a DFA for a language over the input that is 0 1, right? The first problem is all the string with exactly two with exactly two ones, and so I want only 2 1 to be there in the string, and the moment when the count of the one is 2, at the time I will enter into the final state. Next one is all string containing at least two zeros, fine. So not less than, bro, at least. And the third one is all string containing at most 20. This one it means not more than, bro. Yeah. So the first problem, that is all string with exactly two ones, it means that what will be the string, fine? What will be the input to the machine? It might be possible the string may start with 0, and any combination of 0 or 1, it might be possible, fine. But here, when I have only 2 1, definitely the machine should enter into the final state. So this one is a proper string. Next one, the string may start with 1 1 0 0. This one is also okay. Any combination, say suppose 0 1 1, again 0. Okay. If the machine is having just only one, the count of one is only one, fine. At that time, the machine should not enter into the final state. It should be definitely in between any of the states, fine. If the machine is having count more than 2, it should enter into the dead state. Why? Because for 2 1, the machine should enter into the final state, but for extra 1, the machine should not enter into the final state. So now tell me how the machine it should be for this problem statement.
Sir,
Yeah. This one
sir,
is for exactly. Yeah.
sir, Q0 means initial state.
Q0. Okay, fine.
There will be loop for if 0 is there, means self loop.
Yes.
And if it's 1, then it will go to the Q1 state.
Hmm.
And then there will be self loop on Q1 also for 0.
Hmm.
And then for 1, it will go to the final state Q2.
Hmm.
And on Q2 also there will be self loop for 0.
Hmm.
And from Q2, if there is again 1, then
Hmm.
it will go for the dead state.
Yeah, fine. See here, we will have the basic input. Fine. What it says that exactly two ones. If I having the input just only 2 1, definitely the machine should enter into the final step. So in Q0, I'm going to process the first one. It enters into the next state, that is to the Q1 state, and in Q1 state again, it will process the second one, and it will enter into the rest in, that is into the final state of Q2. Fine, exactly two ones. It's okay, fine. So this will be the basic machine for exactly two ones. Fine. Now we're having a combination of 0 and 1. Fine. So say suppose if my string starts with 0, multiple times 0, and then 1 1. Yes, definitely the machine should enter into the final state, but this part, it's not a compulsory part. Fine. So that's why we are having a star closer, that is 0. Might possible that the string may contain 0 or string may not contain 0. Fine. So that's why we have defined a 0 looping to a state Q0. Fine. Next, say suppose if my input is 0 1. Fine. So the machine state Q0, it will process 0 and it will remain into the same state. Next one is your 1. Fine. So in Q0, it will going to process 1. It will enter into the Q1 state. Now we are into the Q1 state. Fine. In Q1 state, it might be possible, there will be a possibility of the zeros, fine, multiple 0, or it might be just only a 1. Fine. So here in Q1 state, we having a star closer of 0 self loop if they have a multiple 0. Fine. So this one be a deterministic state. Fine. So in Q0 we have processed 0 1, in Q1 also we have processed 0 1. Fine. And now we have reached to a state, that is to a final state. Say suppose my string is 0 1. Fine. 0 0 multiple times 0, again 1, and again multiple times 0. पॉसिबिलिटी आहे की हे प्रोसेस करू शकतो किंवा प्रोसेस करू शकत नाही, बरोबर, लास्ट 4 zeros. But if it's have last 4 0, if I consider into the string, definitely this string is a proper string. We are having exactly 2 1. Fine. We are not going to bother about the multiple 0. Fine. So in Q2, definitely by processing a 0 self loop, it will remain into the same state. Fine. But now next, what it say, we are having exactly 2 0. If another one occurs into the string, say suppose 0 1 1 1. Fine. So this last one, it will going to process into a Q2 state. For these 2 1, we have reached to a final state, but might be possible if extra one needs occur. So in Q2 state, by processing 1, we have to reach to a dead state. Why? Because the machine should not enter into a final state. And in dead state, you can process 0 or 1, any combination of the input, that is 0 or 1, but it remains into a dead state. Right? So this one is a proper machine for solving a problem of exactly 2 1s. Right? कोणाला काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे, थर्ड इयर स्टुडंट? This one is a transition diagram. Just also draw a transition table. So we are having 3 states, that is Q0, Q1 and Q2 state. When Q2 state is our final state, Q0 is your initial state. Fine. And the input we have processed just only 0 and 1. In Q0, if I process 0, I remain into the same state. Here I will reach to a Q1 state. Here again Q1, Q2, and last one in Q2 state, by processing 0, I remain into the same state. By 1, I reach to a dead state. Right? Is that clear? Third year student, कोणाला काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे यामध्ये? ओके, कोणाला काय प्रॉब्लेम नसेल सो गो.
हॅलो.
हां
सर, 2 1 नंतर परत 2 1 आले तर आपल्याला काय, वी डोंट केअर दॅट ना?
Means what?
Suppose we are having 2 1s, 1 1 and again 1 1.
See here, 1 1. Fine. This 1 1, if it is there, definitely the machine should enter into a final state. Borobar. What it say? It says exactly a 2 1s, and always the scanning of the string, it goes from left to right. बरोबर आहे, लेफ्ट टू राईटच होतो. तर लेफ्ट मध्ये फर्स्ट आपलं एक 1 आहे, it will process, it reach to a Q1 state. Next one is also there, it will process, it reach to a Q2 state. बरोबर. So now currently the machine it is in a final state, but say suppose if extra one is there, so again the machine definitely it will going to scan this one, but by processing one into a q2 state it reached to a dead state, and in dead state if it might be possible की खूप सारे वन्स असतील, बरोबर, तर तो डेड स्टेट मध्येच राहील, तो फायनल स्टेट मध्ये जाणार नाही. फायनल स्टेट, व्हॉट इज द पर्पज ऑफ फायनल स्टेट, that the machine should scan a proper input which the user have provided, fine, that is for exactly 2 zeros ending with 1 zero starting with 1, anything whatever it may be. But what we are designing a machine, that whatever the machine we have designed to a particular problem, while solving this problem the machine should enter into a proper final state. There should not be any what you can say, the mismatch of the string. If extra one is there, again the machine should enter into a final state, बरोबर. दोन तर वन आहेत ना सर, दोन वन आहे, मशीन फायनल स्टेटला जर एक्स्ट्रा वन असतील तर काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे यामध्ये? प्रॉब्लेम काही नाही, बरोबर आहे ना. बट व्हॉट द लँग्वेज इट सेज, यू हॅव टू डिझाइन इन सच अ वे, व्हॉट द लँग्वेज इट से, द लँग्वेज इट से दॅट एक्झॅक्टली 2 ones I want, दॅट्स ऑल. कोणाला काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे? The problem nasil, so go with the second problem statement, that is at least 2 zeros. At least means not less than. Fine. So tell me how the machine it should be for at least 2 zero.
Sir,
Huh.
sir, Q0 state initial state one loop राहील, म्हणजे one's self loop.
Huh?
And then for for 0 it will go to q1 state, and there will be self loop for 1 again, and then for 0 again it will go to the q2 state, which will be the final state, and there will be the self loop for 0 and 1. Means
Yes,
both can.
that's the correct. Yes, yes. And the machine for a particular problem, that is at least 2 zero. Fine. If say suppose I'm having just only a 2 0, only my input is only 2 0, definitely the machine should enter into a final state. So go with the basic input. Say in q0 I will going to process 0, I reach to a q1 state. Next in q1 state second 0 I will going to process, and I will reach to a final state, that is q2, by processing 0. Fine. It might be possible that the one may occur in any of the situation or any of the string before 0 or after 0. Fine. It may be 1 0 1 0. It will be also possible there will be a multiples of 1 0, then again 1 1 0. So here it will be a self loop of 1 to q0, again to a q1, the self loop of 1. Fine. And the string it contains at least 2 0. कमीत कमी 2 तरी 0 पाहिजे, जास्तीत जास्त किती जरी असलं तरी चालेल, मशीन फायनल स्टेट मध्ये एंटर व्हायला पाहिजे, बरोबर. तर यामध्ये 2 0 आहे, मशीन फायनल स्टेटला गेलेले आहे, आणि जर मल्टिपल्स आणखीन ग्रेटर दॅन 2 0 जरी असेल तरी चालेल, बरोबर. व्हॉट इट्स ए ऍटलिस्ट, कमीत कमी 2, जास्तीत जास्त कितीही चालेल. So here it will have a self loop of 0 or 1. So this will be a machine for solving a problem of at least 2 0. Is that clear, third year student? We will solve fastly more examples. Fine. Next one is about at most 2 0. At most means not more. At most 2 zeros, not more than, बरोबर. तर कशी असेल मशीन सांगा मला. Anyone from girls side? हा किरण बोल ना.
आपला टॅग कोण आहे हो डिपार्टमेंटचा?
निलेश कोरडे सर.
कोरडे साहेब. ठीक आहे. 513 नंबर आहे त्यांच्या रूमचा.
हा 513. Yeah, anyone. At most 2 0.
Sir, there will be self loop on Q0, Q1 and Q2, I guess.
There will be
A self loop of 1 on Q0, Q1 and Q2.
okay, so tell me a complete machine. Starting state is Q0, it will be a self loop of 1.
Then 0.
Next one,
Insert a
by
0.
processing 0 in Q0 state, where I have to reach? In which state? Q0 मध्ये जर मी 0 प्रोसेस केलं तर कुठल्या स्टेट मध्ये जायला पाहिजे?
Q1.
Q1. Okay. Next Q1, what about the 1 and 0?
Then self loop on
Sir,
Q1.
self loop for 1.
Okay. Next.
Then it will go to Q2 by inserting 0.
Yeah. Next.
And then self loop of 1 on Q2.
Self loop of 1 on Q2. Next.
And then dead state for again 0.
Dead state for again 0.
Yes, for 0, 1.
But what about where I have to define a final state? To which state?
Q2.
Q2. I have to stop at Q2. This will be a final state. Yeah, third year student or any again modification are required here.
But sir, for 1-0 also it should reach final state.
Yes. What the meaning of at most? At most म्हणजे कमीत कमी 0 तरी असलं तरी चालेल, 1 0 जरी असलं तरी चालेल, 2 0 जरी असलं तरी चालेल, पण 3 0 नाही पाहिजे. आणि काहीच 0 जरी नसलं तरी चालेल. That the concept of at most, not more than 2 zeros. It means in that string, what I'm saying, in that string, if I having just only 1, एकच string आहे आणि तो string आहे 1, then also the machine should enter into the final state. By processing only a single 1, the machine should enter into a final state. If I having a multiple ones without a 0, again the machine should enter into a final state. What it said at most, means there should be if in the string, if the occurrences of 0 is not there, it's okay. Why? Because it's say at most 2 zeros. If now this will be the 2 string, if I having a combination of 1 0, a single 0, definitely the machine should enter into a final state. If I having it may be any combination then, बरोबर, पण या string मध्ये फक्त एकच 0 यायला पाहिजे, बरोबर. Next, if I having 0 1 0, then and also the machine should enter into a final state. But slightly if I have a string in this way, that is 0 1 1, and slightly if I add one more 0, that is a third 0, the machine should not enter into a final state. It should enter into dead state. सो तुझ्या ह्याच्यामध्ये काय होते की तुझ्या ह्याच्यामध्ये सिंगल 0ला जसे सपोज जर माझं जर असं असेल 1 0 ही जर स्ट्रिंग असेल तर हे फायनल स्टेटला जायला पाहिजे. तुझ्या ह्याच्यामध्ये काय होतो की तो Q1 स्टेट मध्ये तिथंच राहतो तो. तर काय मॉडिफाय करावं लागेल, काय चेंजेस करावं लागेल? एनीवन फास्टली.
Q2 ला सेल्फ लूप नाही
काय
पाहिजे.
करावं लागेल सांग.
फक्त Q2 ला टर्मिनेट करायचं आणि तिथे सेल्फ लूप नाही पाहिजे. म्हणजे 2 0 झाले की टर्मिनेट होईल लगेच.
2 0 आले तर तो फायनल स्टेटला जायला पाहिजे ना. सिंगल जरी 0 आला तरी, सिंगल 0 आला तरी तो फायनल स्टेटला जायला पाहिजे, आणि एक पण 0 नसेल तरी तो फायनल स्टेटला जायला पाहिजे.
सर मग Q0 आणि Q1 Q2 ला लिंक केलं तर?
लिंक नाही करायचं, त्या तिघांना फायनल स्टेट येणार आहे. It's not the concept of linking, it's the concept of defining more than one final state to a Q0, Q1 as well as to a Q2. Here what it means that if I have just only a 1, Borobar, initial state is a final state. Your initial state is a final state. What I'm saying, if I'm having just only a single one, what happens? It will process into a Q0 state and it will remain into a final state. So तिथं stop होऊन जाईल. Say suppose if I slightly add 1 0, so in Q0 it will going to process 1. Again it will check again the string is there or not. Yes, the string is 0. Again in Q0 it will process 0. Again it will reach to a Q1 state. Again the Q1 state is also a final state. Are you getting? So this will be a proper machine for at most 2 0. So you can have the multiple final states. Is that clear? Yeah, if it is clear, then
Yes,
we
sir.
will, yeah, then we will move for the next example. फास्टली सॉल्व करा बरं का. जेवढे तुम्ही फास्ट सॉल्व करताल तेवढे तुमचे एक्झाम्पल्स जास्ती सॉल्व होतील. नाहीतर काय व्हावं लागेल, मला स्किप करावं लागेल. मग ते तुम्हाला ऍज अ टास्क म्हणून द्यावं लागेल. नेक्स्ट, डिझाइन or DFA, design a DFA which accepts only those strings which starts with 1 and ends with 0. Just go through the problem statement. What it says? It says that starts with 1 and ends with 0. म्हणजे माझी स्ट्रिंग 1 न स्टार्ट व्हायला पाहिजे. त्याच्यामध्ये काही का कॉम्बिनेशन असायला बरोबर. आय कॅन से द कॉम्बिनेशन of 0 and 1, any combination, whatever it may be, barabar. But last it should ends with a 0. This will be a ending part and this will be a starting part for a machine. Yeah, tell me, कसं येईल machine? का मी ड्रॉ करू?
Sir.
Hmm.
So Q0 primary state राहील first state. त्यानंतर if there is 1 then it will go to Q1 state.
Yes,
And
स्टार्टिंग विथ 1 आहे बरोबर. स्टार्टिंग विथ 1 आहे म्हणल्यावर तुम्हाला स्टार्टिंग विथ 0 वगैरे काहीच यायला पाहिजे. फाईन. इफ इट इज 1 it directly moves to a
Q1
state. You will say that की
self
सर
for 1.
तुम्ही जर सांगत असेल की सर 0 न स्टार्ट झालं तर तो डेफिनेटली इथून काय येईल. जर 0 न जर
Dead-
स्टार्ट होत असेल
dead
तर तो
state.
डायरेक्टली डेड स्टेट मध्ये जाईल आणि तो मशीन त्याच स्टेट मध्ये राहील बरोबर. सो बाय प्रोसेसिंग 1 I reach to a Q1 state. Next,
Self loop for 1.
self loop for 1. Fine. If they're having the multiples 1, fine. Next,
And for 0 it will go to the Q2 state, final state.
it will go to a Q2 state. Barabar. This will be a ending part. The string ends with a 0.
And
If-
if there is 1 again, then it will go to Q1 state again. Means
Yes,
back
fine.
to
If
Q1.
it is 1, बरोबर. आता जर माझं इनपुट असं असेल, say suppose 1 0, so here by processing this string it will reach to a final state, that is to a Q2 state, no doubt. But there may be a possibility that after 0 the occurrences of 1 may be there and then again 0. असं जर स्ट्रिंग असेल तर definitely again the machine should enter into a final state. So here by processing 1 0, just only a 2-bit string, now the machine is in a Q2 state. But again the 1 it occurs and after 0, so again you have to reverse back by processing 1 to a Q1 state and again 0. Is it okay? Next, आता तुम्ही सांगत असेल की सर जर स्ट्रिंग अशी असेल 1 0 there will be a multiple 0. तरी मशीन आपली फायनल स्टेटला जायला पाहिजे का? कारण की स्टार्टिंग विथ 1 आहे, एंडिंग विथ 0 आहे, बरोबर? एंडिंग विथ 0 आहे, तर इथं काय पाहिजे? काय झालं?
सेल्फ लूप ऑफ 0 Q2 वर.
सेल्फ लूप ऑफ 0.
सेल्फ लूप Q2 ला.
Yes, yes, self loop of 0 to a Q2 state. Are you getting? तर तुमच्या लक्षात यायला लागलं वाटतं. आय थिंक सो, थर्ड इयर स्टुडंट. चलो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल फास्टली. Design a FA. Now you have to design a DFA only, बरोबर? Deterministic finite automata, which accepts odd number, of ones and any number of zeros. तुम्हाला तुमच्या लक्षात येत असेल की हे प्रॉब्लेम्स कसे को रिलेट करू शकतो. तुम्ही जर मी जर सांगितलं की हॅव राईट ए C++ program or write a Python program or write a C program to just check for a prime number आहे, to find out the odd number, to find out the even number, to have the addition, all these process. Remember that all these process at to the back side the compiler will process, and he design a machine in such a way that it will going to perform a proper operations. Remember that. Up to the back side, if you go through the depth of the compiler, you come to know that they have a sequence of execution of the instructions in such a way that whatever the instruction it will process, it may be to finding out a prime number, palindrome, whatever it may be, whatever what I'm saying, the machine should be entered into a final state by processing a proper input. If the input is not defined properly, then it will in a looping state, infinite loop मध्ये जातो कधी कधी. So just go through the problem statement. Odd number of ones and any number of 0 means मला जो 1 पाहिजे, so odd number and any number of 0. I don't care about the 0, but I care about the odd number of 1. Fine. It should be again 1 0 1 0. This is not a odd one, barabar? This one is a even. So the machine should not enter into a final state. Any combination randomly the 0 1, but the 1 should be a odd. So tell me the machine.
Sir. So Q0, self loop on Q0 for 0. And then for 1, it will go to the final state Q1. And then self loop on 0 again on Q1. And then for 1, it will go back to state Q0.
It will go back to a state Q0. Here again, it will have a looping of 0. So this one definitely be a odd number of 1. कोणाला काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे? थर्ड इयर स्टूडेंट. सिंपल आहे. फास्टली आपण नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करू. तोच एक्झाम्पल आहे. स्लाइटली आता मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टुडंट ते पण सांगतात की सर आपण हा एक मशीन आहे, आणखीन दुसरं मशीन पण आपण डिझाईन करू शकतो का? बरोबर. व्हेन आय से आय हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट फॉर अ फॅक्टोरियल, बरोबर, फॉर अ फॅक्टोरियल नंबर, most of the student go with a for loop, barabar, and the increment, last condition may be the increment for I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Most of the student can go with the decrement, बरोबर. डिक्रीमेंट पण आपण करू शकतो. फक्त एवढंच आहे की कंडिशन मग काय पाहिजे की तो लेस दॅनच्या ठिकाणी ग्रेटर दॅन पाहिजे, आणि जो I इक्वल टू 1 आपण डिफाइन केलं तो n पाहिजे. आय कॅन गो विथ डू वाईल. With the help of do while, I can calculate a factorial, or with the help of recursion, I can calculate a factorial. Means there are the n number of solutions to a particular problem. This will I can design a machine with another way also. की आपण काय करू शकतो, स्प्लिट करू शकतो. ह्यानी 2 स्टेट मध्ये डिफाइन केलं. I can have 3 states. Say suppose Q0 by processing 1, it reached to a final state, say suppose to a Q1 स्टेट. आता जर 0 असेल, Q0 मध्ये जर 0 असेल तर मी काय करतो, एक सेपरेट स्टेट एक डिफाइन करतो 0 and I will reach to a state, say suppose that is to a Q2 state. Means now I am having a 3 state to solve this problem. In Q0, if I having a 0, it will reach to a Q2 state. In Q2 state, if I have a 1, again, if this one is an odd one, so I will reach to a final state. Are you getting? So if in Q0, if I process 1, just only a 1, single 1, it reached to a Q1 state, and there may be any occurrences of 0. I will not going to care about a 0. Next, by processing 1 in Q0, I will reach to a Q1 state, and again if 1 it occurs, I will come back to a Q2 state by processing 1. Right? And again if again 1 it occur, third one, again it's an odd, so in Q2 state by processing 1 it reached to a Q1 state. 0, if I process into a Q0 state, it will reach to a Q2 state, and there will be a multiple occurrences of a 0, means 0 0 0 0 0 if it is having a 1. So the first 0 in Q0 it will process, it will reach to a Q2 state, and in Q2 state it will process rest of the zeros, and lastly when it occurs 1, it will go to a state that is to a Q1. So I can have a multiple states by using more than 2 states, 3 states. I can have a solution. It's not like that की बाबा हे फिक्सच आहे आणि या फिक्स स्टेट मधूनच तो पर्टिक्युलर प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह होऊ शकतो असं नाही, बरोबर. त्यासाठी मी हा एक्झाम्पल दाखवलेला आहे की बाबा आपण मल्टिपल स्टेटनं पण सॉल्व्ह करू शकतो, की बाबा 3 स्टेट्सनं पण हा प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह होऊ शकतो. आर गेटिंग? चलो नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेमला आपण सॉल्व्ह करूया. लक्षात येतात ना थर्ड इयर स्टुडंट? नाही येत? रेस्ट ऑफ द स्टुडंट का डोक्याची वर्ण तर नाही चाललं ना मग? चलो हे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह करूया. अगोदर आपण डिव्हिजिबलचं सॉल्व्ह करूया. डिव्हिजिबल नंतर आपण मग सबस्ट्रिंगला जाऊया. चलो this will be better. Fine. Design a FA and design a FA, that is, say suppose DFA, that is deterministic finite automata, which check whether बरोबर हे ऑपरेशन्स आपण परफॉर्म करूया आता. वेदर अ गिवन बायनरी नंबर is divisible by 3. मीन्स आता इनपुट तुमचा जो असणार आहे मशीन साठी ते फक्त 0 आणि 1 च्या कॉम्बिनेशन मध्ये असणार आहे, बरोबर. आणि तो जो बायनरी नंबर आहे इट शुड बी डिव्हिजिबल बाय 3. मीन्स सपोज यू ऑल आर अवेअर the decimal for 0 it represented in binary, that is 0 0. Next for 1 it may represent 0 0 1. For 2 0 1 0. For 3 it is 0 1 1. No? So now the input is in a binary form, the combination of 0. Say suppose I am having a 0 multiple times 0. What it means? It means that 0 divided by 3 means consider that is mod by 3. What will be the remainder? The remainder is 0. Next 1 divided by 3. What will be the remainder? The remainder will be 1. 2 mod by 3. What will be the remainder? The remainder is 2. Next one, if my input is 3, बरोबर, what will be the remainder? The remainder is 0. Means this one is divisible. This number, next again 6 आहे, 9 आहे, हे तुम्हाला माहिती आहे, बरोबर. जास्त मी बेसिक मध्ये जात नाही. Now this 0, 1, 2, 3, they all are represented in the decimal. Now for 0, what I will say? I will say 0, 0, 0 mod by 3, the output is 0. Here for 1, I will going to represent 0, 0, 1 mod by 3, the output is 1. For this one, 0, 1, 0, this will be a 2. 2 mod by 3, the output is 2. Fine. So when I say I want to divide a number by a 3, definitely how many reminders the 3 it's have? किती रिमाइंडर असणार आहे 3 साठी? Yeah, anyone? How many reminders? किती रिमाइंडर असणार आहे? टोटल 3 रिमाइंडर असणार आहे. फाइन. द रिमाइंडर ऑफ 0, 1, 2. बरोबर. जर मी 15 घेतलं असेल, 15 mod by 3, again the output is 0. 17 जर मी घेतलं असेल, 17 mod by 3, the remainder is 2. Fine. 16, if I take a value 16, fine, what will be the remainder? 16 mod by 3, काय येईल रिमाइंडर?
1.
1. बरोबर. 4 तर रिमाइंडर येणारच नाही. बरोबर. 5 पण रिमाइंडर येणार नाही. म्हणजे रिमाइंडर किती येतील आपले? फक्त 3च येतील. सो व्हॉट आय विल डू, 3 रिमाइंडर इज देअर, सो आय विल असाइन a state as a reminder. Consider that for S0 or Q0, तुम्ही काही घ्या बॅक साइडला, S0 or R0, we will take R0, it will be better, that is reminder 0. So you also clear about R0. R0 is nothing but this state is having a reminder 0. Fine, that is reminder 0. When I say R1, this will have a reminder 1. When I say R2, this will have a reminder 2. Is that clear? सगळ्यांना कन्सेप्ट क्लिअर आहे की ज्या टाइमला रिमाइंडर 0 असेल, कुठलंही स्ट्रिंग असेल, से सपोज if I having the input, say suppose 3, so when it process, when it divide by 3, it should enter into a state R0. When I having a string, say suppose 17 असेल, 17 mod by 3 or divide by 3, it should enter into a R2 state. If it is 16, it should enter into a state that is 1. If I having a 21, it should enter into a state that is 0. Are you getting? So what I will do, I will just have a state, say suppose R0, R1, and next state R2. Is that clear? For reminder 0, reminder 1, reminder 2. Now in this machine, you are going to define the input as a 0 and 1. Just take 3 to 5 minutes and solve the problem, and later on we will check. कोणाचं झालेलं आहे? Yeah, Abdul Tayyib, have you done?
Hello, no, sir.
Diploma student Harshala Ahire.
No, sir.
Shovin Cole.
Sir, I'm doing it right now. It's not.
Yeah, anyone? No, those who have done.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me, Siddhi.
sir, for R naught, it will insert 1 to R1.
Okay, fine. So we will go with the basic. जर झिरो असतील बरोबर माझ्या स्ट्रिंग मध्ये जर मल्टिपल टाइम झिरो असेल 0 0 0 0 0
Self loop
what
of 0 on Q naught.
yes what the binary number of multiple 0 it represents in decimal, it represents just only 0. So
Yes.
0 mod by 3, the output is 0, right? So here can I have a R0 state as a final state, कारण की ज्याचं रिमाइंडर 0 येत असेल तर तो प्रॉपरली डिव्हिजिबल बाय 3 आहे, right?
Yes.
So here I can have a multiple of zeros, right? So it should enter into a final state. Next.
Sir, then it will insert 1 to Q1.
Yes, if it is having only one, fine. So by processing 1 mod by 3, the remainder is 1. So it will reach into R1 state. Next.
Sir, then 0 for Q2.
From where?
From Q1 to Q2.
From Q1 to Q2,
Q2.
for 0.
0, yes.
So if it is having a 0, what will be the number? 1 0. 1
Yes,
0, it is a binary number. बरोबर है ना? This one is
Yes,
a
sir.
binary number, and what will be in a decimal? 1 0, what it represents in decimal? Tell me, Siddhi. कारण की आपण बायनरी प्रोसेस करतोय त्याला आपल्याला मॉड बाय 3 करायचंय. सो 1 0 इज नथिंग बट इट रिप्रेझेंट्स अ नंबर दॅट इज 2. बरोबर, इट रिप्रेझेंट्स अ नंबर डेसिमल 2 and 2 mod by 3, the output or the remainder is 2. So that's why by processing 1, fine, in R0 it will reach to a state that is R1. Again in R1, when I process a 0, it will having a remainder that is 2. So that's why it reached to a state that is R2. Rest of the third year student, how the process it's fine. Next one. Yeah, continue, Siddhi.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, self loop of 1 on R2.
Self loop of 1 in
R2.
R2. Next. काय होते रे? हॅलो, दुसरे कोणी झालेले का सांगा मला. अब्दुल तय्यब.
Sir, hello sir.
बोल.
हा सर असंच सेम मध्ये जर याच्यात जर R2 वरून मागे पुन्हा R1 वर गेलं 0 नी. and सर पुन्हा R1 नी
processing?
R0 वर 0 and then R1 to R0 for 1
R1 to R0 by
for yes sir
1,
for 1
right?
yes.
So whether
Condition satisfy होत
okay.
असेल सगळे.
Yeah, condition is going to satisfy. This will be a machine for a number that is divisible by 3, and when I have a binary number combination of 0 and 1, fine. Same if I check for any of the strings, say suppose if I having a 1 0 1, so this is represented a decimal number that is 5 mod by 3, so the remainder is 2. So the machine should enter into a remainder 2. We will check it for the input 101. In Q0 state, it will going to process 1. It will reach to a state that is to a R1 state. Again in R1, it will going to process 0. It will reach to a state that is R2, and R2 by processing the last one, it's having a self loop and remains into a same state that is R2. So for 5 number, the remainder is 2, and we are getting or we are reaching to a state remainder that is R2. So this is a proper machine for check a number that is divisible, binary number divisible by 3, right? So if you want to add initial state, fine, nahi yaar mujhe R0 chahiye, but I want to add some extra, so what I will you can have, say suppose S is a start state. Next for S, when I process 0, it reach to a state that is to a R0 state, and when I process 1, it reach to a state that is to a R1 state, and we again having a R2 state. म्हणजे बाकीचे जे काही येणार आहेत कन्सेप्ट, तो बाकीचे सगळे इनपुट सेम असेल. म्हणजे हे R0 मधून R1 ला बाय प्रोसेसिंग 1, फाइन. नेक्स्ट फ्रॉम R1 टू R0 बाय प्रोसेसिंग 1. नेक्स्ट R1 to R2 by processing 0. Here again by processing 0 I reach back, and lastly to 1. So this will be again a machine. If you don't want to process the inputs at to the initial state only, what I want to say, initial state as a final state, if most of the user don't want this, you can have a separate start state, right? So for this problem we can have more than one machines. सगळ्यांच्या लक्षात येतो का थर्ड इयर स्टुडंट? का फक्त एवढेच आहे की बाबा 30-40 स्टुडंट्सच्याच लक्षात येतात, बाकीचे आपले निवांत बसलेले आहेत, असं तर नाही ना? या वीर वेद देवरे,
येस सर.
लक्षात येतो ना?
हो सर.
हो सर, ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम आता तूच सांग मला. एक सबस्ट्रिंग वाला घेऊया अँड वी विल स्टॉप हिअर ओनली. स्टार्टिंग एंडिंग खूप झाले. खूप सारे प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत, मी तुम्हाला ॲज ए असाइनमेंट पण देईल, बरोबर? तेच प्रॉब्लेम. डिझाइन ए DFA फॉर अ लँग्वेज that is A comma B. What I want to design to check all string in A, B, B as a substring, that is A, B, B anywhere in string. Anywhere म्हणजे तो स्टार्टला पण असू शकतो, एंडला पण असू शकतो, मिडल पण असू शकतो. Anywhere in string. So what the problem it says? The problem it says that in a string I want a substring to find out ABB. So ABB, it may be in starting, it may be at to the ending, it may be middle, anywhere. It will be the occurrences of more than one ABB. तर कसं येईल सांगा मला मशीन? I will just have a sample inputs, fine. If my string is A, B, B, the machine should enter into a final state. If my string is A, B, 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 any combination, and again A, B, B, ending, last one, the machine should enter into final state. It might be possible, there may be a occurrences of A, B, B in between. Again, it may have any combination, whatever it may be. So the machine should enter into a final state. If I having just only A, machine should not enter into a final state. If I having A, B, the machine should not enter into a final state. There may be a multiple times of ABB also. बरोबर, असं नाही की या ह्याच्यामध्ये मी एकच दिलेलं आहे. इट माइट बी पॉसिबल की A, B, B, बरोबर, देन द मशीन शुड एंटर इनटू ए फायनल स्टेट्स. ABB आला, त्यानंतर परत A, B, B आलं, तरी हे मशीन फायनल स्टेटला जायला पाहिजे. तर सांगा मला कसं येईल?
सर
हा
सर Q0 मध्ये सेल्फ लूप B च राहील.
नाही, एक प्रॉपर सांगत राहा, असं डायरेक्टली सांगू नका मला. ABB, बरोबर. इफ माय स्ट्रिंग इज ABB, बरोबर, दिस वन विल बी अ सबस्ट्रिंग. सो हियर इन Q0 state I will process A, it reach to
Yes,
a
sir.
Q1 state.
Q1
In Q1 state I will process B, it reach to a state that is to a Q2 state, and in Q2 state by processing B I reach to a final state if I having a string that is just only ABB. Then you can have the combination of ABB in a state Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. तर कसं येईल सांगा मला? Q0 मध्ये
B चं self loop.
गुड फाईन. इट माइट बी पॉसिबल की स्ट्रिंग बी न पण स्टार्ट होऊ शकतो अँड देर विल बी चान्सेस ऑफ मल्टिपल्स बी, सो आय कॅन हॅव अ सेल्फ लूप ऑफ बी. नेक्स्ट.
And then sir जर Q2 मध्ये जाऊन
Self
पुन्हा
loop
A
of
आलं तर
A.
पुन्हा Q1 वर जाईल,
हा तर Q2 मध्ये ए आलं तर
पुन्हा Q1 वर जाईल.
Q1 वरती जाईल. गुड फाईन. नेक्स्ट.
सर अगर
Q1
जर Q3
Q1 में ए, यू हैवन प्रोसेस ए इन Q1. Q1 में ए आया तो कहाँ पे जाना चाहिए?
सर Q1 में वापस Q0, नहीं सर सेल्फ लूप, सॉरी सेल्फ लूप सर, सेल्फ लूप.
Yes, self loop of A in Q1. Next.
येस सर. अँड अगर Q3 मध्ये पण A आलं तर Q1 वर जाऊ शकते पुन्हा.
नाही पुन्हा कशाला?
पण म्हणजे सर गरज नाही, पण म्हणजे रिपीटेटिव्ह जर असलं तर म्हणजे
अरे रिपिटेटिव्ह जरी असलं तरी मी काय सांगतोय ए बी बी अँड
हा सर
ए
गरज
बी
नाही,
बी.
मग शेवटी काही पण आलं तरी चालते.
मी तेच सांगितलं ना, ए बी बी ए बी बी. तर या स्ट्रिंग मध्ये ए बी बी आहे ना, आहे हा फर्स्ट 3 डिजिट्स ए बी बी प्रोसेस करून तो फायनल स्टेटला जाईल Q3 स्टेटमध्ये, आणि नंतर पण ए बी बी आहे, पण आपण फायनल स्टेटमध्ये आलेलो आहे ना, ऍटलीस्ट आपण एक तरी सबस्ट्रिंग ए बी बी चा प्रोसेस केलेला आहे. Next, if there is a possibility of ABB, again this second one, what happens in Q3? I will have
सेल्फ लूप फॉर A and B.
self loop of A and B. So here for A, Q3 it will process, it remains into the same state. For rest of the two Bs, again in a Q3 it will process and it remains into a same state. But what the process is? The process is that I have to find a substring that is ABB, and the moment if it is there, the machine should enter into final state. If the string is in this way, that is A, B, ए राईटली, आता बी च्या नंतर परत बी यायला पाहिजे, तर मी ए दिलं तर मशीन आपलं फायनल स्टेटला जातो का? नाही जात. ए बी अगेन ए, सो इट रिमेन्स इन टू अ स्टेट दॅट इज टू अ Q1 स्टेट. Getting, and slightly if I change A B B, then the machine enters into a final state that is to a Q3 state. Everyone, आलं का? यश, यश वेद देवरे
हो सर.
आलेत?
हो हो.
चालेल, ठीक आहे. सो टुडे वी विल स्टॉप हिअर ओनली. कोणाला काय प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर मला विचारा. टुडे या गिव मी प्रेझेंट नंबर 25 621. रोल नंबर 1.
प्रेझेंट सर.
रोल नंबर 2.
प्रेझेंट सर.
3 4
Present, sir.
5
Present,
6
प्रेझेंट सर.
7
प्रेझेंट सर.
8
प्रेझेंट सर.
9 10
प्रेझेंट सर.
11
प्रेझेंट सर.
12
प्रेझेंट सर.
13
प्रेझेंट सर.
14 15
Present, sir.
16
प्रेझेंट सर.
17
Present, sir.
18 19 20 21
प्रेझेंट सर.
22
प्रेझेंट सर.
23 24
प्रेझेंट सर.
25 26 27 23 26 27 28
प्रेझेंट सर.
29 30
Present, sir. Present, sir.
31 32
Present, sir.
33 34
प्रेझेंट सर.
35 35 36
प्रेझेंट सर.
37
प्रेझेंट सर.
38
प्रेझेंट सर.
39
प्रेझेंट सर.
40
प्रेझेंट सर.
41
प्रेझेंट सर.
42 43
प्रेझेंट सर.
44
Present, sir.
45
प्रेझेंट सर.
46
प्रेझेंट सर.
47
प्रेझेंट सर.
48
प्रेझेंट सर.
49 49, 50,
Present,
50, 51,
Present, sir.
52,
Present, sir.
53,
Present, sir.
54,
Present, sir.
55,
Present, sir.
56,
Present, sir.
57,
Present, sir.
58,
Present, sir.
59,
Present, sir.
60,
Present, sir.
61,
Present, sir.
62,
Present, sir.
63,
Present, sir.
64,
Present, sir.
65, 65, 66,
Present, sir.
67,
Present, sir.
68,
Present, sir.
69,
Present, sir.
70,
Present, sir.
71, 71, 72,
Present, sir.
73,
Present, sir.
74,
Present, sir.
75,
Present, sir.
76,
Present, sir.
77,
Present, sir.
78. एवढेच आहेत का 78 पर्यंत आहे
नाही सर
78 ॲबसेंट आहे 79 79 80
प्रेझेंट सर
या फाल्गुनी कधीपर्यंत काय रोल नंबर तुमचा 81 82 कितपर्यंत आहे
सर 82 पर्यंत आहे
82 पर्यंत आहे का 81
प्रेझेंट सर
82 82
Sir, 65 is present.
ओके
सर 25
काय
25 रोल नंबर
ठीक आहे मी परत एकदा ॲबसेंट नंबर सांगतो चेक करा 3 9 14 18 20 26 27 33 35 49 71 78 79 80 82 okay thank you so today we will stop here only